Hi there, everyone. Laurel Beard here. Welcome. I've got another super quick video for you talking about a class again that I found on Skillshare, which is a platform I discovered a couple weeks ago. I actually did my first video last week, and we talked about a class that I found on iPhone photography hacks and how to take pro photos with the iPhone, which I use my phone for my camera and filming needs for not my crafting, but for my everyday to day life. So that class was so incredibly helpful. And I've hearted so many classes that I'm going to be taking in the future. And I'm finally going to put my iPad Pro and that pencil I bought eons ago to work for me going forward. But today I'm going to create a GIF. It is not a GIF. It is a GIF, which I did not know, and I have been pronouncing it incorrectly this entire time. My bad. So I took a couple of clips of weirdness here. Here's one, and learned how to create my own GIF with this 10-minute course. This was a 10-minute course on Skillshare, and it was fantastic. I have a link below where you can get 2 free months of access to Skillshare if you just want to get in there and check it out. But here's kind of my class footage I was taking. I was kind of learning how to do it with this instructor here. He was creating this little GIF. I have to train myself, like GIF, like the peanut butter. GIF, GIF, not GIF. And it was surprisingly so easy. I mean, again, you can also filter your classes by duration. Maybe you don't want to take a super long class. Maybe you only got 20 minutes to dedicate and you just want to knock it out. This class was only 10 minutes long, and I created some really fun GIFs. Uh, and I was surprised at how easy it was. There's actually a website called Jiffy, but I thought it was Giphy, Giphy.com. Anyway, so here I am taking the information that I learned from that 10-minute course at Skillshare, and am like, this is one of my blooper reels here. Anyway, so I turned it in hopefully to something funny and not offensive. I'm not trying to be offensive here. This is just me like aggravated with myself because I was getting all tongue-tied. So I decided to add a little text there that said, obviously I can't talk without my coffee. And then I found this cute little image here, and I'm creating this little thing. There's filters that you can add here. Which I discovered, and there's different fonts, and you can use different colors. I mean, it was actually pretty cool. And this website Jiffy is free. So that was cool. So I found a class at Skillshare that linked me to a tutorial on how to do it using a free website. So I was like, double score, 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 score. So I'm going ahead and exporting it, and then I've created this fun little GIF. Gosh, I have to train myself. And I also made one with my dog. He was trying to come up the stairs in the snow. This was his first time in the snow last year, and I thought that was funny, so I created a little GIF with that too. Again, all from this little 10-minute course I took over at Skillshare. So again, I've got a link below for you. It's a custom link. It will give you 2 months of free access if you want to get in there and check it out. If you decide you like it and you want to stick around, it's less than $10 a month. There's good Lord, 25,000 classes. I mean, covering everything. There's even cooking. My husband probably wants me to get in there and take some of those cooking classes. But listen, I'm gonna do the fun stuff first because cooking is not my forte. But maybe after I take some classes, I'll find it fun. So anyway, that's my bit today on creating my own GIFs. Not only did I learn how to do it, but I learned how to say it. All right, so my next class is going to be all about you putting that iPad Pro, the Apple Pencil that I bought 2 years ago that I have never used to work because I found another class I wanted to take. So there you go. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you again real soon.